Much information to unpack this week. Apple had a slew of things happen. So with the COVID-19, WWDC will not be a physical event this year. Um, 9 to 5 Mac has actually got a hold of iOS 14, so they went through the code and found some interesting finds, as well as iPhone 9 and iPad Pro 2020. Will it be released today? Will Apple be holding a online event because the physical event has been canceled? Stay tuned and we'll find out. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jason and you're tuned into I Speak Geek. So this year, Apple has decided to forego having a physical event. With everything recently happening in the news surrounding the coronavirus, Apple has figured that it would be better not to hold an actual physical event until everything has calmed down. So this is actually the first time within Apple's history of having WWDC that they actually foregone the physical event. This year they're going to strictly be online, just for everybody's safety, and they're going to try to tailor a lot of stuff for developers online. So a lot of us thought maybe they are going to have some devices announced at this time. Usually this is all about the software and developers, but with Apple canceling their March event, this is looking more than likely, unless Apple decides to, hold something online for any release of any new device. A lot of the news are saying that the iPhone 9 has been canceled, or not canceled, but it's been put on hold indefinitely until they can figure out what's going on with the supply chain and everything, again, surrounding coronavirus. So Apple was supposed to also release the iPad Pro 2020. This one was to add the third camera and also the time of flight sensor, which Apple was going to use for their AR kit. Of course, they've been pushing augmented reality a lot with their devices, and this was supposed to improve upon that. And you know that this technology would be in the next iPhone. So 9 to 5 Mac actually got a hold of iOS 14, and within that code, they were able to find information about AirTags, and that's what Apple's going to call those tracking devices. They plan to release AirTags. These devices don't have a rechargeable battery. These are batteries you can replace, some kind of twist off mechanism for those enclosures to replace the battery. While they were doing some digging, they also found that Apple was adding more mouse support within iPad OS and iOS 14. So this rumor is kind of in line with them releasing a new smart case that actually has a trackpad included in it. Some third-party vendors already have this in their cases, so it was only logical for Apple to do that, especially the way they've been pushing the iPad as a replacement for your laptop. So, also within the information that 9 to 5 Mac found, Apple looks like they are doing a new remote for the Apple TV. A lot of users have complained about the navigation using the current remote. Me myself using it, it is kind of cumbersome. You're searching around just to get it exactly right to click on something. It's one of the reasons I got rid of my Apple TV. So maybe it's more traditional, where you're actually using buttons and it makes it a little bit easier to navigate. Only time will tell. So, what are your thoughts? What are you looking forward to seeing from Apple? Are you hoping that Apple releases new devices at March, even though they're not holding an event, hoping that it's going to be online? Sound off in the comments below and let me know what's on your mind. So, me personally, I'm still excited for whatever the year has. I know it's crazy with COVID-19 going on, and a lot of events are getting canceled, but I think tech is still going to be moving forward. Hopefully, it just delays it a little bit, but it comes back strong through the end of the year. But I thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe if you like the videos and like what I'm doing. I really appreciate it. I couldn't do this without you. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.